seriously, I'm catching a Pokemon.
Oh, I got that one.
It's a
already.
Pinsir. I got like 3 of them. Oh, hi. We didn't see you there. I'm Seth Campbell,
I'm Miles Antle.
and we're from Tequila Mockingbird. Our band's actually playing down at the gazebo where we're catching Pokemon right now.
Friday night at 6:30. It's a really good opportunity to come down and catch a bunch of rare Pokemon that you haven't maybe even seen before.
Yeah, I mean, you can catch a Tequila Mockingbird. You can catch a Tom Mayfield. No.
You tell me. You tell me.
Yeah. There's one.
Great.
Charizard. Like 6 of them.
At least 6. So come on out Friday night, the gazebo on Field Street, about 6:30, and enjoy some music.